The heat of the Maharashtra polls in last November singing the budget session of the state. The Mahavikas Aghadi versus Mahayuti face-off continuing. This time inside the assembly. The opposition playing out a trailer of the blockbuster release next month.
एक तो व्यक्त होने को नहीं मिल रहा है, यहाँ की आजादी छीनी जा रही है, मानवीय स्वतंत्रता की इतनी अवहेलना कभी नहीं हुई थी भारत में.
The Mahavikas Aghadi and Mahayuti are locking horns on the legality of the leader of opposition. While the opposition says UBT will most likely go with it, Eknath Shinde questions their credibility to hold the post given the numbers.
Number which the Shiva Sena is having is 20 MLAs. So it was obvious naturally last time when we had the numbers, Vijay Vaditivar became the LOP. So naturally the numbers are with Shiva Sena. So there is no consensus or anything which is to be obtained. But I think the Shiva Sena has talked with the leadership and probably we are expecting by tomorrow. We have also urged Shiva Sena to take it forward as this session is for a month, so we need an LOP.
नंबर नहीं होने के बावजूद उनकी होड़ लगी है विपक्ष का नेता बनने के लिए. विपक्ष का नेता का निर्णय जो है लेने का अधिकार हमारे विधानसभा के अध्यक्ष का है.
Outside the assembly, key arrests have been made in the Raksha Khadse case amidst the chaos surrounding the crumbling law and order situation in the state. Another issue over which the Mahavikas Aghadi is expected to corner their rivals.
Government has been very insensitive to the victim and some very shocking statements have come from the government. I request the Honorable Chief Minister to tell all his ministers to be very sensitive and empathetic because this girl's entire life has been destroyed.
जो है पूरी तरह साफ हो जाएगा और रिपोर्ट के अनुसार कार्य.
सर औरंगाबाद चांगला प्रशासक होता असं अबू आझमी म्हणतायत. तुम्ही कसं बघता या घटनेकडे?
देखिए मैं अभी उसमें कोई कुछ भी मैं बात बोलना नहीं चाहता हूँ. इसमें SIT का रिपोर्ट आएगा उसके बाद ही दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो जाएगा.
Unemployment, farmers' issues, women's safety and general misgovernance are all on the agenda of the opposition.
Because today was the governor's address, so we didn't want to disrupt the governor's address considering the protocol and considering the decorum of the governor. So tomorrow onwards we will take the issues which are related to the people of Maharashtra, and there are ample issues. MPSC things are going on, and many issues are there concerned with the farmers, and overall many issues pertaining to the state of Maharashtra we will be taking soon tomorrow.
The 4-week-long budget session began today in Maharashtra's assembly with the customary governor's address. While on one hand, the government will have to pull up its socks in defending its case against a strong opposition which is protesting on the issues of women's distress, farmers' distress, unemployment and of course issues in Bid and Parbhani. On the other hand, it is the opposition who are yet to appoint their leader of opposition in the House legally or officially yet. With camera person Arvind More, this is Anuj Raith reporting for Indie TV from Mumbai.